Looking for a powerful photo editor without spending a dime? Meet Photopea, a free, browser-based image editor that delivers professional-grade editing tools without requiring any installation. Whether you're editing photos, designing social media graphics, or creating YouTube thumbnails, Photopea gives you an experience that's remarkably similar to Adobe Photoshop. With support for layers, masks, smart objects, and advanced editing features, it's an excellent choice for beginners and professionals alike. Why choose Photopea? 1. Incredible file compatibility. Open and edit Photoshop.psd files with ease. Photopea also supports Sketch, Figma, GIMP, and many popular formats like PNG, JPG, SVG, and PDF, making it a versatile tool for almost any project. 2. No downloads, no hassle. Forget installing bulky software. Simply open your browser, visit Photopea, and start editing instantly from any computer. 3. Your files stay private. Photopea processes everything directly on your computer using your device's CPU and GPU. Your files are never uploaded to a remote server, and you can even continue working offline once the app has loaded. 4. Completely free. Enjoy powerful editing features at no cost. The free version is supported by unobtrusive ads, and if you prefer an ad-free experience, you can upgrade to the premium version. Who should use Photopea? Photopea is perfect for students, content creators, freelancers, hobbyists, and professionals who need a reliable image editor without paying for expensive software. It's also a lifesaver when you need to edit Photoshop files on a computer that doesn't have Photoshop installed. Ready to create amazing designs? Open your browser, launch Photopea, and experience one of the best free online image editors available today.